Welcome back to another session of QA interview questions and answers. Today we will discuss what is TDD and its advantages. In order to get more videos on interview questions and answers, please subscribe this channel. What is TDD? The full form of TDD is Test Driven Development. TDD is a software development process that relies on the repetition of a very short development cycle. First, the developer writes an initially failing automated test case that defines a desired improvement or a new function, then produces the minimum amount of code to pass that test, and finally refactors the new code to acceptable standards. The following sequence of steps is generally followed. Add a test, run all the tests and see if the new one fails. Write some code, run test, refactor the code, and repeat. What are the advantages of TDD? You should remember these points when you discuss the advantages of TDD. Acceptance criteria, focus, interfaces, tidier code, dependencies, safer refactoring, fewer bugs, and living documentation. The advantages of TDD are writing the test first requires you to really consider what do you really want from the code, and you will get fast feedback. It creates a detailed specification. It reduces the time spent on rework, less time spent in debugger. Identify the errors and problem quickly. Tell you whether your last change has broken previously working codes. Normally when you refactor your code. Allows the design to evolve and adapt to your changing understanding of the problem. Forces radical simplification of the code. You will only write code is response to the requirement of the test. TDD forces you to write small classes focused on one thing, and TDD creates a solid code. The code created using TDD is maintainable, flexible, and easily extensible. The resulting unit tests are simple and acts as a documentation for the code. Since test-driven development use cases are written as tests, other programmers also can view the test as a usage example of how the code is intended to work. TDD shortens the development time to market, and it increases the programmer's productivity. Even though the initial cost is high in TDD, but it cuts the development cost in the long run. It improves the quality of the code and it reduces the bug in the code. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe.